Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good. So how many khichdi fans do we have here? I definitely am one for sure, because khichdi is one of the most healthiest one pot meal we can ever make at home. Quick, easy and light. And today we are going to make Moong Dal Khichdi with spinach and vegetables. So the spinach adds to the nutritional value also. You can add any vegetables available or any greens available at home. So make and enjoy with variations each time. Even non-veg food lovers can make chicken khichdi. I have already shared that recipe. Link is given in the description box and I button. You can check it out also. So let's proceed to make Moong Dal Khichdi with greens and vegetables. Moong Dal Khichdi with vegetables and greens. A very healthy one-pot meal, rich in proteins, vitamins and minerals. Check out the ingredients list in the description box. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a pressure cooker. Add 1/8 teaspoon of Asafoetida or hing. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Give them a mix and let the cumin seeds crackle. Now add some curry leaves. Now add vegetables that you require. I'm adding 1/4 cup each of diced carrots and some green peas. Here goes the tomato cut into pieces. Give them all a nice mix. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt to taste. Add little now, we can add more after adding the rice. Now saute them a bit. Cover the lid and simmer it on low flame. We'll let the vegetables cook a little bit and then the tomato also should get soft. In between open and give it a stir. Once the tomato has become soft, add the greens. I'm adding 1 cup of spinach, baby spinach, fresh coriander leaves and green chillies. Saute them together. You can add any kind of greens that you have at home. Cover the lid again on low flame. Let them cook together. Do this until the vegetables are half done. Now add the soaked rice and moong dal. You can soak it for 1 hour before you start cooking. I have taken 3/4 cup of rice and half cup of moong dal. You can take half and half also if you wish. Saute them together so that all the flavors are well blended. Now add water. I'm adding 3.5 cups of water. Quantity depends again on the consistency of the khichdi that you want to keep, soft or just little thicker. So add water accordingly. Give it a mix, cover and bring it to a boil. Check the salt and add as required. Because we added less in the beginning, now we should add little more for the rice. Mix the salt with the ladle and now close the cooker lid. Cook for 2 whistles on high flame. Then reduce the flame and keep the cooker for 1 minute and let it cool by itself. Open the lid only after the pressure is released. Lovely. Perfect consistency. Just give it a mix with the ladle, or if you wish to mash it, you can do that. But I like it little bit grainy, so I just mix it with the ladle itself. This is a quick meal that you can cook just before serving. So garma garam khichdi is ready. Dish it out. It's a well balanced meal, one pot meal. I make it at least once a week with different vegetables and greens. Whatever you have at home, leftover veggies can be used in this way. Non-veg food lovers can also make it with chicken khichdi or khichda also. They call it chicken khichda. I've already shared that recipe as well. You can check it out. I'll share the link here for you. Khichdi is served. Now you can enjoy it with curd, pickle and papads. What a delicious and healthy meal. If you wish, you can add little ghee on top while it is still hot. So friends, do give it a try. This is very, very healthy and delicious at the same time. Nice and filling too. Thank you for all the support and love you have given to my channel. See you soon with the next video. Take care until then. Bye bye.